Most people struggle with this SAT math problem. So we have an equilateral triangle that's inscribed inside a circle, and because it's an equilateral triangle and the perimeter is 852 centimeters, divide that by 3, and we know each side has a length of 284 centimeters. And we also know that each angle is 60 degrees, and that's going to be important later. And we're trying to find W if the radius of the circle is W root 3 centimeters. So let's define the center of the circle to be this point over here, and if we connect that to a midpoint of one of the sides, and also vertices, we get a right triangle over here with the right angle being over here. And so because this is a midpoint, divided by 2, and we get the long leg has a length of 142 centimeters, and we know that the radius, which is also the hypotenuse of this triangle, is W root 3 centimeters. And because we define this angle as 60 degrees, because this is an equilateral triangle, if we split it in half, we know that this angle over here must be 30 degrees, which means we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. And we know in 30, 60, 90 triangles, if the short leg is x, then the long leg must be root 3x, and the hypotenuse is 2x. So we know that the short leg over here must be half of the hypotenuse, so it must be W root 3 all over 2, and then we know that 142, which is the long leg, must be this times root 3, so we know that 142 is equal to W root 3 over 2 times root 3. So we get 142 is equal to 3W over 2, or 3W is equal to 284, or W is equal to 284 over 3, and that's our final answer.